Burna Boy, the Nigerian superstar, has finally responded to allegations from Steel Pulse's David Electric Hinds. Hinds accused Burna Boy and his entourage of trying to kick them out of their dressing room at the Reggae Summer Jam Festival in Germany. Burna Boy fired back, saying, "I don't even know what they look like. So for them to say I disrespected them, they are looking for something from Burna Boy's name. But please let me pass the message in the right way. I don't disrespect people at all. Eva, if I disrespect you, it's because you did something." This all went down on Monday, July 15th, during Burna Boy's free concert in London, celebrating the 5th anniversary of his African Giant album. The controversy started 2 weeks ago when reggae fans blasted Burna Boy for allegedly disrespecting the legendary reggae band. Electric Hinds took to Instagram, accusing Burna Boy of arriving with a massive entourage, demanding extra dressing rooms, and trying to push Steel Pulse out of theirs. Hinds didn't hold back, saying, "Burna Boy and his security crew fully disrespected us at Steel Pulse, the official, trying to kick us out of our dressing room so he could have 4 dressing rooms for his massive entourage." Selwyn Brown, an original member of Steel Pulse, was livid, and "Our team stood our ground. You can't do that to people, especially to a band that has paved the way for reggae music." It didn't stop there. Hinds added that the security team built a barricade of a blacked-out chain-linked fence, making it feel like they were in prison. He declared that Burna Boy's behavior was out of line with the ethos of reggae, which promotes peace, love, and unity. Lloyd Lang of Reggae University was furious, criticizing Burna Boy for disrespecting a foundational group pivotal to reggae's legacy. He claimed that Burna disrespected the whole genre and culture, and that Summer Jam promoters should be ashamed. Lang also criticized the growing trend of genre crossovers at reggae festivals, stating that Burna Boy's presence was unnecessary. Legendary musicologist and reggae producer Kurt Riley also chimed in, saying, "Reggae doesn't prescribe to this mentality. Reggae calls out and weeds out this behavior regardless of who the individual or group is. What is the price of what is right? We will see, because Jah is watching. But I will say this, he who has no respect for the past will be misled and tossed aside over time by the future." So, what do you think? Do you believe Burna Boy's side of the story, or do you think Steel Pulse has a point? Should Afrobeats artists be included in reggae festivals? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.